Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Power level is the average of your survivor, hero, and schematic levels. This average determines mission matchmaking and loot quality for you. Three main sources raise power: survivors, heroes, and schematics. Focus first on leveling survivors because they provide broad stat boosts to your squad. Next, prioritize heroes to unlock key abilities and schematics to increase weapon and trap strength. Always keep all three progressing to raise your overall power and match harder missions effectively. Level survivors using XP and training manuals earned from missions and quests. Assign survivors to survivor squads to gain immediate stat bonuses before every mission. Upgrade schematics by collecting research points and evolution materials during missions and alerts. Recycle, duplicate items for XP and fragments to speed evolution of your best schematics. Prioritize evolving your favorite weapon to its next tier to feel immediate power gains in combat. Repeat this cycle to steadily increase your effective power level across all areas. Complete daily quests, mission alerts, and event objectives for steady XP and useful rewards. Use the collection book to claim permanent rewards and extra XP for overall progression. Focus evolution materials and schematic research on a small core loadout first to maximize performance. Save some high-value crafting materials for key power spikes and avoid spending everything on low-tier upgrades. Finally, join a focused squad or play with friends to tackle higher-level missions for better loot and faster power gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.